Are you stuck choosing between HubSpot and Zoho CRM for your business? In this tutorial, I'm going to break down exactly how these two powerhouse platforms stack up, so you'll walk away confident about which one can help you boost productivity, automate your workflow, and grow your customer relationships. Not just today, but for years to come. Let's dive right in. Now, it's hard to miss HubSpot in the business world. It's got more features than almost any other CRM out there, and its name pops up pretty much everywhere sales, marketing, or customer service are discussed. Those zillion features aren't just for show. HubSpot's platform is famously robust, offering everything from advanced reporting and slick automation to a fully integrated CMS. In short, it's an all-inclusive toolkit designed especially for teams that need lots of firepower and are ready to invest a bit more. But before you get swept away by the hype, it's worth pausing to ask, is bigger always better for your business? That's where Zoho CRM comes in. Zoho has carved out its own place, especially for small to mid-sized companies, those wanting smart CRM tools without taking out a second mortgage. In fact, for this comparison, I tested both HubSpot Sales Hub Professional and Zoho CRM Professional head-to-head, so I could see where each platform truly excels. So, what stood out right away? HubSpot's interface is sleek and incredibly easy to navigate. Every feature from sales pipeline automation to customer support ticketing is where you'd expect it to be. The onboarding process is smooth. Think interactive guides, video walkthroughs, and lots of resources to get you up to speed. Even if you're new to CRMs, you'll find it's approachable, almost like a well-organized library. If you're looking for advanced analytics or want to automate complex workflows, it's all right there, beautifully presented. On the flip side, Zoho's CRM feels a bit more stripped down and straightforward. It offers key essentials: conversation tracking via chat and email, workflow management, and basic automation capabilities. Its pricing is significantly more wallet-friendly, which might be a huge win if your team is just starting out or your CRM needs are pretty specific. Realistically, Zoho's interface is less flash, more function. Navigating the menus feels a bit like using a sturdy notebook. Totally reliable, but not always intuitive if you're unfamiliar. That said, its reporting tools are solid with plenty of presets and customization options. Just expect a few bumps, a little haphazard structure, and occasional typos here and there. Now, if you want to go beyond CRM basics with Zoho, you'll need to add extra products from their suite, like marketing automation or advanced analytics. This modular approach makes sense if you want control over costs, or if simple is your style. It's kind of like adding apps to your smartphone as you go. Show why one step at a time. Pricing is another major factor, and here the gap widens. HubSpot's starter packages are fair, but as soon as your team or requirements grow, those monthly costs can scale up quickly. Zoho, meanwhile, keeps things reasonable across the board so you can plan your budget without surprises. It's perfect for a growing business that wants modern features without the sticker shock. And let's talk AI. Both platforms are making smart moves. HubSpot bundles AI features directly into its CRM, letting you automate processes, enrich your data, and even generate content in your brand voice. Zoho doesn't fall far behind, offering predictive sales insights and workflow suggestions that are super handy for busy teams. So, which one is better? Honestly, it depends. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with deep sales, marketing, and service integrations, and you're okay with paying extra for top-tier features, HubSpot is hard to beat. But if you want a clean, affordable CRM that covers essentials and can grow with you, Zoho CRM is an outstanding choice. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about picking a CRM or want my thoughts on a particular feature, drop a comment below. I always check them and love helping out. If this comparison helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, helpful tech tutorials. See you next time.